Hi guys, welcome back to the training. As we are still expecting Payoneer to verify our account, so let us move forward now to another account I call Kobo.com. Kobo is another place, another platform whereby you can post your ebook and you will get a lot of sales. You know the beauty of it, the same ebook you are uploading on Amazon, this same ebook is what you are going to be uploading on Kobo. You don't need to be getting another book, you don't need to edit it, you don't need to rewrite it. The same thing you want to upload on Kobo is the same thing you are going to upload on Amazon. So let us move straight to how you are going to set up your Kobo account and how we are going to start. Now we move forward to our browser. Then you come to the platform I call Kobo.com. So you come here and click on create account. When you click on create account, you can see you can continue with your Facebook, continue with your Google account, continue with your app. You can choose any of the three you like, but for me I will use the email account we use. So that's what I'm going to be using, which is our work 2022 at outlook.com. So we confirm the email again. Our work 2022 at outlook.com. Then you select the password of your choice, any password of your choice. Then you click on continue. Remember, put your Gmail account and your password. Then you click on continue. You can save it. If it is your browser, you can save it. It said please click each image containing motorcycle. So motorcycle, then you click on next. Motorcycle, verify. Now the account is verified. Waiting for network. Now the account is ready. So you come to my account. You can see. You can just click on my book. And see they said you have no book. So you can just come here. Just come here. My book. So browse category. The first ebooks and every other thing. You can see how it works and everything. You can even buy all readers about e-readers, where to buy and everything like that. So now you do not have any book on Kobo. You said welcome to Kobo, your library is currently empty. So until you start to publish book, so it's then you can now be seeing your book here. But for now, your book is currently empty. You don't have any book here. So that's all on how to create a Kobo account. So in the next video, we are going to talk about how you are going to set everything up. So stay tuned. We meet in the next video.